Ooh, I walked through valleys deep and wide. Thought I was walking all alone. But every step I took in fear was held by grace I hadn't known. You were there before I cried. Oh, you were there right by my side. He never left, he never failed. His love remained, his word prevailed. Even when my heart was weak, he never left me. He never left me. In the silence of my doubt, your faithfulness was speaking loud. Oh, though my eyes could not perceive, your hands were moving all around. Every tear you understood. Ooh, you turned my bad into my good. He never left, he never failed, he never remained. His word prevailed. Even when my heart was weak, he never left me. So I'll testify of a God who stays through the darkest nights and the longest days. He never left, he never failed, forever strong.